Okay, welcome back, and now let's do an application problem involving spheres. So here it is. It says a spherical water tank is 50 inches in diameter. Water treatment personnel need to know how many gallons of water it will hold, and here's how we're going to do that. So volume of water. So again, we're given the diameter of the water tank as 50 inches. Okay? So the diameter equals 50 inches, right? Okay, now, they want to know how many gallons, okay? How many gallons of water will this thing hold? So we need to end up with gallons. Okay, so we need gallons, right? So we need to go from volumes in cubic inches, right? To gallons. Okay, so this is again where you have to know your conversion, right? Okay, so 1 gallon is equal to 231 cubic inches. So this is going to be the conversion that we need to use. Okay, that's our conversion factor, or unit ratio. Okay, so now we've got everything we need. So we need the volume, okay? So let's do the volume. We start with inches. Let's find the cubic inches, right? In the volume in cubic inches, and then do our conversion factor. Okay, so what's the formula for the volume of a sphere? Since it's a spherical water tank, we're going to use 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay? So always remember this pi and 4/3, those are unitless numbers. So the volume, remember, it's got to be cubic units. Radius cubed is going to give us the units for volume. So that helps you remember that r is cubed. You just have to remember it's 4/3, right? So 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay? Just like the area, the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared, right? R squared gives you the square units. 4 and pi are unitless. Okay? So anyway, so now, what do we know? Well, we know the diameter, which means that the radius is equal to 25 inches. So don't accidentally use diameter. You've got to use radius here. So now all we have to do is plug and chug. It's 4/3 pi, and it's going to be 25 cubed. Okay? Okay. So we can just plug this in our calculator, right? And so what do we get? We get approximately 65,449.8 cubic inches. So 65,449. So 65,449.8 cubic inches. Okay? And again, since we're going to be converting to gallons, I wouldn't round this here. I would leave this in my calculator, and then I would use the conversion factor that we'll see. Okay, so again, I would start with 65,449.8 cubic inches. Okay? And I want to convert this to gallons, so I'm going to have gallons on top. So 1 gallon is the same as 231 cubic inches. So cubic inches cancel. So now I'm going to divide. So I would take whatever my answer is, divide by 231. And so again, whatever my answer is, I'm going to round that to the nearest gallon, because that's what they asked for. And so I get approximately 283.33 gallons. So I'm going to round to 283 gallons. That's the answer. Have a great day.